You the ops, you gon' be singing the blues. Feeling like Bishop and Juice. Worked on my dude, this Jimmy Choo on my shoes. Strawberry shortcake hair, Chinese banks with my 2 braids. Ayy, straight from out the Queens, headed to Harlem now.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back. This video was gonna be a request. One of my subbies hit me up and she was like, yo, when you gonna drop that video on your bottom lashes? So here we are. This is gonna be a bottom lash tutorial. It is super easy, super simple. Everything you need is down in the description box. And y'all need to get into these top lashes too, because they're available on my site. Okay, and there is a discount code that is always valid, so get into it. But yeah, just stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. My face, my makeup is already done, everything is already done. I'm just gonna show you guys how I achieve that look. So to get started, what I use is I use individual lashes. I usually go with the Kiss brand. You can get those at the beauty supply. I actually got these. I actually got off Amazon because I couldn't get to the beauty supply with the whole quarantine and whatnot. So these are a pair of Kiss individual lashes. These are short. I typically go for the short. Dang, this is trying to play me. There we go. I typically go with the short. I suggest to go with the short because you don't want them to be too long. When I tell you this is super simple, ain't nothing to it. Anybody can do this. This is super easy. I get so many questions on it and I don't know why I took so long to make a video, because it ain't nothing. So we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna start off by putting mascara on my bottom lashes because you do want your bottom lashes to pop. Probably can't tell the difference, but I put a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. So now I'm going to take a pair of tweezers, regular tweezers, and you're going to use your glue of choice. For those of y'all that know, and for those of y'all that are sub to this channel, you know that I use the 30-second Salon Pro. I say use what works for you. I'm not going to tell nobody to do nothing they don't want to do. And if anybody has a problem with the glue that I use, I'm sorry, but this is what I use. So I'm going to just put a little bit on like this tag because I have it out and it's handy, and you really don't want to put the glue on nothing that you care to save because you're just going to toss it. You feel me? You're just going to toss it. So I'm going to go take one of the lashes out. So it looks like that, or the tweezer, very small. And I'm gonna dip the tip of the lash into the glue, just dab it like that. Then I take the lash and I place it right here so that it's right there. Okay, so I typically do like 3 per eye because you don't want too much. It's just like a, you know. So I'm gonna take another, dip it into the glue like that, and then I'm gonna space it out and place this one kind of so in the middle like that. Yup, when I got bottom lashes on, pictures be on point. Like I said, I typically do 3 each eye because you don't need a lot for the bottom lash. And then I space this one out. You want to give them like equal amount of space, just like that. And that's really it. I kind of put too much glue on that one, but whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same. So that's one eye. And for my top lashes, I am wearing the lashes that I sell on my website, and these are the Lashes Baddie. Get into it. These are like one of my favorites next to Spicy. That will be linked in the description box. There we go. And as you can see, this is super easy and super fast. You can do this like in minutes. So then I'm gonna take that, put it here, cut in the middle, And I will link the Amazon link to where I got these down below, just in case y'all, I don't know how everyone is doing during the like pandemic. Everyone is different. So if you can't get to your beauty supply, I will link I'm gonna hook y'all up. And I'm gonna link y'all my top lashes because I know y'all wanna know. I know you do. So once again, I feel like I got a little bit too much glue on that. So I'm gonna take some of the glue off. Put this one here. So I feel like they're all spread out evenly. And it looks really good. Yeah, I love a good bottom lash. And what I like about using this glue is you have time to move your lash around. It doesn't like set super fast. And that's that. Let me give y'all an up close look. That is it. That is how I achieve a bottom lash look. You could go with more lashes. Like I said, I typically use 3. Like sometimes I'll be extra and I'll do 4 of the individuals on the bottom. But typically I go for 3. It is to each his own. If you want to go for a super full bottom lash, go ahead and use more. But I'm going to tell you, if you do, you need to tag me in that look because I need to see what that looks like because I might want to try it. Okay? But yeah, this is how I achieved mine. I want to shout out all my subbies for sending me ideas and requests because you are giving me content to record. Which every now and then I'm gonna need some content like suggestions. So yes, shout out to Carly for sending me that suggestion. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, drop that down in the comment box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, like my pictures on Instagram, shop my lashes. And until next time,